Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be upgrading the factory low beam bulbs on this 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now this is not just any Grand Cherokee, this is our videographer's family car. So that's right, the man behind the camera in all of our videos is getting an LED upgrade. Installation is plug and play and takes just a little while using basic hand tools. Let's get started. Now to install our SL1 LED low beam bulbs, we're actually going to utilize the trap door located underneath the fender of our Grand Cherokee here. Now you can access everything that you need to, including the stock low beam bulbs, from this access point right here. However, it does require a bit of patience. You'll simply turn this trap door counterclockwise and pull it out to reveal the access point. Now for the ease of visual, because it's kind of hard to get a camera in there, we're actually going to pull this headlight out, which requires removing the front bumper. Again, this is not necessary, but makes it easier to film and show you what we're doing. With the headlight out, we can go ahead and remove the factory H11 halogen bulb and install our SL1 LED replacement. So you can simply access the low beam from the back of the housing here, turn it counterclockwise to remove it, and then disconnect it from the factory harness. Then we'll take our anti-flicker module, plug it into the factory harness to prevent any bulb out warnings. And then we'll connect our H11 SL1 to the anti-flicker module. Now, this bulb does require that you rotate the collar 105 degrees in order to get that vertical alignment that you want with the LED chips. If you have any questions at all about how to rotate the collar on the SL1, the link to our collar rotation instruction video is in the description below. With your bulb secure, you can tuck everything back into the housing and re-secure that factory dust cap. Then repeat the same steps on the other side to finalize your installation. With our SL1 LED low beams installed, we not only have a fresh 21st century look for this Grand Cherokee, we have dramatically better visibility at night. For more information on the SL1 LED bulb, click the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.